What's going on, everyone? This is Rfbm, raising the financial bar with Mars. So just a quick update. I applied for monetization about a week or two ago, and surprisingly, it was expedited quickly. I was able to receive a response. I want to thank everybody that's watched, viewed, liked, and commented feedback on all of my videos. I appreciate it, and it's only up from here. For those of you that are not aware of the process, you basically have to reach 1,000 subscribers and a total of 4,000 watch time hours before you're able to apply for monetization. After that process, you reach that amount, you apply, and then you wait their decision. Once they've approved you for the monetization, you then have to be reviewed by the partner program. You sign up for a Google Adsense account, and upon getting a review there, you are then monetized, and that's when you can start the process of monetizing your videos. And I was able to reach this goal of monetization in a little less than a year. It's a blessing, honestly. I'm truly grateful to be able to start from June 1st, 2020 to now, and honestly, it was just all about consistency and strategy. So just for full-on transparency, this is my numbers here. This is what it looked like when I went to get through the process of monetizing my videos. As you can see here, I made a huge jump in the last month or so. So after I was approved for monetization and went through the steps to begin monetizing my videos, I noticed that they had these different type of ads. So this is what it looks like when you're able to choose the different type of ads that you want ran through your videos. So I'm not trying to kill you all with ads, but I definitely want to gain some revenue from there. Well, I'm going to test out which ads work best for me. So I didn't know what managing mid-roll ad breaks were, so I went to go learn more in the section, and this is something that I see a lot of YouTubers using. But yeah, so I just scanned through my videos and just had them all monetized. I appreciate everybody, I truly do. And if you have any suggestions of different things you want to hear, comment below, let me know. Subscribe, like, comment. This is Rfbm, raising the financial bar with Mar. Peace and love.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. Everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, I come to conquer.